So one of my favorite side dishes of all times is to have a beet salad. So this is a recipe for smoked beet salad, but first I'm just going to walk you through quickly how to smoke beets on the Traeger pellet grill. So all you really need to do is just go ahead and rinse them, and then they're ready to pop right on. I don't find it necessary to olive oil and sea salt season them before smoking. I just pop them right on because I do a lot of that flavoring in the salad dressing that I make for beet salad. So after they smoke to about 205 internally, then they're ready to come off. And you'll also know this because they're fork tender. So at 300 degrees Fahrenheit, smoked for about 2 hours. That's exactly how long it usually takes me to do smoked beets, but that will definitely vary by the size of your beets. When they are done, I like to let them cool and then peel them with the back of a spoon or with just cutting off the skin with a knife. I like to make this little beet salad. You can get all of the recipe steps for it at Sip Bite Go. Till next time, have a great day. Cheers!